Hi everyone, welcome back to Bukola Naturals and DIYs. In today's video, I'll be sharing how to make your own ginger and AMLA infused oil. This oil is so good for the hair because it makes your scalp healthier and also promotes hair growth. Ginger helps boost blood circulation in the scalp, which promotes hair growth. Ginger is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids that strengthen the hair. Ginger also contains antimicrobial and antiseptic properties that reduces scalp infections and also prevents dandruff. Another ingredient I'm using for this recipe is AMLA powder. AMLA, also known as Indian gooseberry, contains innumerable health benefits. It is a medicinal fruit packed with properties that are good for the skin and hair. AMLA contains antioxidants that help nourish the hair, prevent hair loss, add shine to the hair, and keep the scalp healthy and help balance sebum production. For this recipe, I will be infusing the ginger and AMLA oil with grapeseed oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choice, but when making recipes like this, I prefer grapeseed oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, and jojoba oil. So I'll be weighing about 100 grams of grapeseed oil. So the next thing is to fill my disposable tea bags that I got on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description area. I'll be filling these bags with ginger powder and AMLA powder.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what I do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, no. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, no. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my, who's making the rules I abuse? I'm confused enough. Why don't you think we could talk? Am I not the one who always comes through? Got me in a dark place if you couldn't tell. I know we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are heaven and hell. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face.
So now I'm going to put my tea bags into the oil, close the jar, and leave it in a dark place for a week. So if you want to speed the process, you can heat it using a double boiler method, but you shouldn't let it heat for a long time because you can lose some of the benefits of the ginger and AMLA powder.
Can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it
So this is what the oil looks like after 1 week. I'm gonna remove the tea bags from the oil.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try.
And I'm gonna add about 1 gram of vitamin E oil. This is to keep the oil from going rancid and to keep the freshness of the oil. So after doing that, I'll be adding a few drops of ginger essential oils. This is optional, it's not compulsory, okay? And I'll also be adding rosemary essential oil for its benefit as well. It's also promotes hair growth. It's a very, very good essential oil. It's one of my favorite that help in growing the hair. So after doing this, I'm gonna give it a stir and transfer it in a container. The reason I'm using a dark container, which is definitely optional, you can use any container of your choice, it is to protect this oil from light and to keep the oil longer and fresher. If you don't have a dark bottle, just keep the oil in a cool, dry area. So apply this oil to your scalp and hair strands every day and you're gonna love it. That's it for this video. Like this video, leave a comment and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao ciao.